Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful for managing your finances in 2025. The Credit Simulator on the Credit Karma app. If you're curious about how big decisions like buying a car or taking out a loan might affect your credit score, this tool is a game changer. It's like having a crystal ball for your finances, all right in your pocket. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Credit Karma app downloaded on your phone. It's free and available for both iOS and Android. Once it's installed, open the app and log in with your existing account. If you're new, sign up quickly. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. Now, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Tools or Simulators section. That's where you'll find the Credit Simulator. Tap on it and you'll see an overview of how it works. Essentially, this feature lets you play out what-if scenarios without any real risk. For example, you can simulate adding a new credit card or paying off debt and see the potential impact on your credit score. To use it, start by selecting the type of scenario you're interested in. Credit Karma offers options like apply for credit, pay down debt, or miss a payment. Enter the details, such as the loan amount or payment timeline, based on the prompts. The app will then run the simulation and show you projected changes to your score, along with explanations. This is based on your current credit data, so it's personalized. Just remember, it's a simulation, not a guarantee. One tip: always double-check the assumptions you input, as small changes can make a big difference. After running a few simulations, you'll get a clearer picture of your financial options. In 2025, with evolving credit rules, this tool is more accurate than ever, helping you make smarter choices. There you have it. Using the Credit Simulator is that simple and empowering. Give it a try today and take control of your credit journey. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.